In that situation you can allow Delegated option. Enable custom offline responses. That is again, do you want to do offline responses you want to receive, which we do not want to encourage. Must participants improve their bids? Delegating that option. Leave bid. Create a buffer for tech. Improve bid amount by here. If you remember, we have chosen nominal amount and personal amount. If you have a company policy that you want always take only nominal amount, then keep this and keep hidden also. Then this option will not be provided to the end user. The end user is nothing but the sourcing agent. So if you are allowing a surrogate bid, you want to provide a justification. Then, if it is yes, you can have the remarks entered whenever some surrogate bid is used. For declining bid, allow suppliers to add items. So generally, we do not want to add additional items. Whatever required items only we will be getting it. So with this we are completing bidding rules. This is standard. Currency rules also, we know. Project 3, Custom Rules allows suppliers. So this is again. I do not want this. Always, it is an estimated price. In that case, I am going to remove additional responses. Even I want to hide this information. It does not matter. I am always behaving such more. So the supplier prices are always estimated. It is not any contractor price at this stage. I will keep that standard as the estimated price. And I am going to hide also. I do not want to show this information. So whatever you are hiding, that will not be visible to the user creating an event. Okay. I think we can complete similarly market feedback. So formulas to participants delegated. How participants view market information. So participants can. Basically how your supplier's ranking and supplier things will be. That is market feedback. Mostly the important thing for us will be timing rules and bidding rules. These two are very important, which will control our process. And also supplier eligibility also. Depending upon your company policy you are using. Majority of the cases, standard only. If you are enabling something for a larger environment, create a different environment and make that as a large capacity, R, F, P type. In single format. We do not want to plug both of these things. That is the reason we will keep that as a standard. Even you will not able to delegate this option also. Either it has to be standard or it has to be delegated. Larger capacity. Once you are done with this one, the rules have been fixed. The next one will be suppliers. We are not going to touch anything on the supplier's fund because that has to be delegated to the user. Users will be selecting for each event. But in content we are able to control what we want to do. Go to the content. Here you can import whatever you are trying to get. That will be appearing for the end user also. Since I am creating a brand new template, I am not seeing anything. Going to the summary. I am clicking on Exit. Click on Project or View Details. I am not going to use this one, so I am trying to delete this. Now I have created this sourcing project RFP template. But whether this template will be visible for end users at this point of time? No. Because the status is showing as drop. In order to be available to the end user, I need to access and click on Publish. So then only they will be able to publish. That means that it is available for the users to utilize it. View Details. I want to delete this one. I am not seeing the option. Let's see. Unless it is in drop state, that is not available for end users. I am not publishing it because I don't want additional RFP being shown to the end users. Suppose you have published it. Then you do not want. Now you are making changes. At this stage it will not show. The system will also give you the versions. The number of versions are created. What we have seen is a brand new template which does not have any existing condition. Now I am going to show you the best practice always will be. You use the template provided by Ariba. Copy the template and utilize it. That is the best practice. It is not highly recommended to create your own template using this method, unless you are familiar with all the template rules and template configurations. Why it is? Because Ariba best practices have been based on your requirement. They have already made. I want to show you the template. The best practice is you need to find out the template owner as Ariba system. That means that is the default template coming from your Ariba to the deployment stage. You copy the template, create a new version, and there you will be having existing documents and other tasks. Existing one. You modify those existing templates to your requirement and publish the template so that end user can use the best practices template.